Calls for change at the state capitol today. Domestic violence survivors gathered to remember those lost to abuse. WRAL's Flynn Snyder explains their latest efforts to protect the youngest victims.
For Christy Melvin, the memory of her 3-year-old son Jesse is always present.
November 5th, he would be 17. Every year's tough, but I make it through it.
It's been more than 13 years since Melvin says her estranged husband shot and killed Jesse, then turned the gun on himself, all while on the phone with her. Melvin says it followed an abusive relationship with her husband, who was awarded joint custody of the 3-year-old.
We demand a system that protects children, believes survivors, and ends the cycle of coercive control.
Melvin was among domestic violence survivors who spoke at the state capitol, demanding stronger protections in the family court system.
This year's gathering came with a call to action for state lawmakers to pass Jesse's Law. It would create a commission tasked with bolstering abuse training for court judges and personnel.
The law passed the North Carolina House with bipartisan support earlier this year. Advocates are calling on state senators to follow suit.
And if you're not properly trained, how can you make a proper decision that's the right decision to protect the people you're making that decision for?
The Leadership Council on Child Abuse estimates 58,000 children nationwide are placed in the sole or unsupervised custody of an abusive parent each year.
It's to protect every child, every family that is going through these situations. I don't want to continue to hear about children being murdered because they're given to their abuser.
It's the next step in a 6-year fight to pass Jesse's Law and how Melvin seeks to use her tragedy to protect others. Flynn Snyder, WRAL News, Raleigh.